Welcome back to part 3 of our Amazon pallet unboxing. Right now I don't know the totals off the top of my head, but we're in the green for MSRP. The total will be up here somewhere. So yeah, let's get into it.
All right.
You want to start with that since it's already open? And
so this is something that we actually had to take out of the box when we picked it up because we couldn't fit the box in our truck, and the box was huge. So, and not the original box. So we got this nice little underground metal detector, and we've turned it on. It works, and we'll put the total MSRP up at the top.
all right. Yeah. And this one says it's whiteboard. I probably am willing to bet that it is a whiteboard. So let's take a look. Oops, sorry. No, it's a big one. Dogs are whining in the background. I hear that.
It's like got a stand and everything. I was thinking it was a wall one.
Yeah. All right, this thing's huge.
Nice. It's got like a little easel.
Yep. So yeah, there you go. Yeah. All right. Let me look in the box, see if there's any markers or anything. Oh,
Like a
there's
tray.
a little tray. Is it magnetic? Let's see if it's magnetic. It's on there.
Sure is.
And there's some more stuff down here. Yep. So looks like there's an eraser,
Magnets.
some magnets, and some markers. So
Oh, that's nice.
got eraser, magnet, and markers right there. All right. Ugh. And here's the instructions.
Does it say what size it is on there?
No.
What?
But the height adjustment. But the height adjustment is 36 to 61 inches. So you stand it up and angle it. You could use it as a table. Yeah, pretty
Oh,
cool.
98 by 7 by 74 centimeters.
Oh yeah. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
All right. Grab one.
I'm just gonna grab this pull behind you because I can see that's what it is.
All
Be
right.
an easy setup pull.
You're about to knock
This
the
will
water
be a local, I'm assuming.
over.
No, we're not gonna open it. Not right now. 10 foot by 24 inches, easy set pull. Okay. Here's the mystery box.
All right. Mystery box.
As we said before, most of these are probably Amazon returns.
Some we have not been able to sell because there was one of the videos you may have seen. There was like a filter system for an aquarium, and it was very, very used and disgusting.
Luckily, we opened up the tank because it looked brand new from the outside, but once you open it, you can smell it. So we just sold the tubes, the accessory kit, and threw away the tank itself.
So this is a deluxe hopper feeder. So a little birdhouse type thing. Let's see if you can get it out. Some wood.
Looks like it broke or something.
Yep, maybe. Yeah.
I mean, I think you could easily fix it, but
Well, no, I don't think it was ever actually.
completely put back together. Or put
Oh
together.
yeah, it was. So they had just put nails through these holes.
So screws. On this side, they did screws real quick.
Yeah. Oh no, it's all broken. Yep, this is broken. So, I mean, you might be able to, oh, there's a little screw too. You might be able to fix it. That might be something we,
If anything, that would probably be one we keep for ourselves if we decide to.
yeah, want to fix it, so. Cat's over here looking for new boxes to send.
A lot of these, I'm assuming, were probably towards the bottom because they look very smashed.
Yeah.
So for the birdhouse, we'll put what the value would be if it was not broke, but we will not add it to our final MSRP. Okay, it's pink.
Oh, a little trash can.
Oh, how cute. Is that really what it is?
Yep.
Oh, sure is.
Little office trash can. Oh, there you go. Look at
That's
that.
cute.
All right.
Very small, but cute.
I don't see. There's no instructions or anything. And
Yeah, I don't think you need instructions, but it might take me a little bit to locate it. Here, give me the box because I can scan the. So on some of these, I can just scan the barcode on Amazon, and it will tell me what it will take me to the product. Others do not work because they probably suck or they discontinue the item, so it's no longer listing. Very smashed up box. Very dirty or scratched up acrylic bowl. It's a True Chill Modern Ice Bucket.
All right. With.
I'm guessing they used it and returned it.
Yeah. All right. This says it's a 5-tier water rack, so let's see what a 5-tier water rack may be.
Plastic? Lots of plastic. I don't think that's what this is.
I have no idea. I don't think this is a 5-tier water rack. Maybe it is, but it looks like some kind of, I don't know, it's very used. There's all kinds of scratches on the metal. I have no idea.
Interesting. So, orange. We'll put a picture of what it is on the screen if we can locate it.
Yeah, if not, well,
trash.
it'll still be a mystery.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah, we'll throw up a picture of what it is, and if we can't, we'll just say it's a mystery because we don't know. Grab this one.
Yeah, I was gonna say you might want to grab some of those large ones over there too. So this looks like a small artificial grass panel. We had some big ones, like I think they were 20 by 20, and I sold those locally already. These look like they're probably 12 by 12.
Yeah, little square ones.
People use it for backdrops, never used.
Yeah, no, it's got zip ties, so yeah. Looks like it is brand new. So good.
A wall of grass, artificial grass.
All right, let me grab this big one.
Foldable lidded storage bin. Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. So that's the. Let's see that.
It looks, well, it's cracked, so it's broken.
Well, I might be able to sell it locally for a very deep discount if somebody would be interested.
Yeah, the front right here, there's a big crack on it, and I don't know, there's some scratches on it, so it looks like they might have used it for a little bit.
Or it was.
Or it came.
Or it got smashed in the pallet. You want to do any of those larger ones?
Not right now.
LED.
Let's do this side. Styrofoam. Item description, 24 egg incubator. So it says it's a digital incubator with an automatic egg turning and humidity control temperature for hatching. Chicken egg incubators, gift for kids.
Oh, interesting. Ooh, messy.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Made in China. Egg incubator, 60 watt. All right.
Here, lift it about it. I'm curious if this is from it being used. It looks like it might be
Yeah.
a little used, but maybe it still works. We'll plug it in and test it out. I mean, obviously we don't have eggs, but we can see if it boots up and turns on.
Oh. Woo. Yeah, it's been used. I can see there's like
Hay or something, straw in there. I don't know why that would be in there though. That doesn't make sense.
yeah, I don't know.
Like you wouldn't put this in a chicken coop. Okay, interesting.
I don't know why it's not. Oh, I guess they all sit like that.
Probably because it turns and rotates.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
All right. The cats have found the boxes. Oh yeah, there's eggshells everywhere.
That's gross.
Yeah.
All right. That sounds interesting. Kind of pops out like something's rolling in there or something. The box inside a box.
A box inside a box.
Okay.
All right.
P&G. Oh, it's gonna be like candles or something of that, or body wash.
So
Something.
Procter & Gamble smells kind of.
Okay.
It is
Laundry detergent.
Gain laundry
Nice.
detergent. All right.
That's not a bad thing.
No.
We might just keep those for ourselves.
Yeah.
We'll put the price of it up top if we were to what the MSRP is.
Although it might get in the way. So let's put it down. Let's see if I can put it back in
So
here.
I'm just rounding out a little. We're almost done with the small things, and then it's like the heavy, big, large box items. So the products we're listing, we know that we're not going to get the MSRP price for them, just because they are returns. We do test everything before we list it. Some items we'll sell on Facebook Marketplace. Majority of the stuff we try to sell on eBay.
Some kind of arcade game. Snap Circuits arcade game of learning and fun.
That's interesting. This looks like it's been open.
There is tape. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. So.
Question
have
is if
no
anything
idea.
is missing.
Yeah. No clue.
I'll have to go through if there's a menu or something to make sure all the items are included. It's interesting looking though. Did you show the inside?
So there's the inside. Yep. Like I said, we don't know if anything's missing. I don't even know what the game is.
What's it say on
So
the
there's the inside. I don't know if anything's missing or not.
Snap circuits.
I guess teach kids about circuitry. So the back says, so you could have home run derby game, where's the blue light, I don't know what where's the blue light is, but yeah.
It says there's includes 20 plus build and play games, over 35 parts.
All right.
Interesting. That was, I think, the first toy or childlike toy we've gotten, correct? I think so.
Been a little while since we've done this.
Yeah. This is supposed to be a neutral bronze cube of some sort.
And that's what it is. We're guessing everything is here.
I'm trying to grab the paper. It's a square umbrella side table.
There's some little Allen wrench, some screws, a little bag, I guess, to put it in.
Maybe like for the winter, like, or you know, you cover it up. Okay, so again, that's the one that I will go through and make sure all the parts are there before we try to sell it. Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
I don't even know if that is.
It feels like it's gonna be one of the ones that flap up on the side and open.
Yeah.
Maybe this side.
Well, I don't know. This is. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Cut on the side right here.
I see. Okay. Leather.
No, not leather.
Well,
I don't know what that is.
Not leather.
It's
It,
vinyl.
vinyl, fake leather briefcase.
There's a
Maybe?
person on the side.
Let's see.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's got a big. Oh. Got a big old box here that goes into it. And then there's other. Oh, this is kind of neat.
Okay. Yeah, we'll put a description on top. It looks like it's like office type products, like
Yeah, like a
carry
computer
your-
bag, something type briefcase, and there's a little. There's a lock for you to lock it.
Just the outside is kind of interesting feeling.
Yeah, it's very odd feeling vinyl type material. Doesn't look like it's been used though.
Yeah. All right, so that concludes our part 3 video. Come back for part 4. It will be probably our last video of the unboxing of this Amazon pallet.
Yeah. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. If you want to get notifications for when we go live, hit the bell and you'll get a notification.
Yeah.
So thanks for stopping by and come
you.
pick with me.
Yeah. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.